If you're anything like me, you're obsessed with Charli Xcx and her new album, Brat. What's up everyone, my name's T and I'm gonna be doing a Brat inspired makeup tutorial and talking about how much I love the album. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. Alexa, turn the lights lime green. Okay. Now we're ready. The very first thing you're gonna need is a black liner pencil. I have these two right here. This one's from Makeup Forever in the shade Whatever Black, and then this one's from ColourPop in the shade Swerve. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. I really like how sharp the tip is looking. And these are really cool because I believe you can use these on your eyes as well as your lip. They're just supposed to be very, very versatile. Just laying down the color first in the middle of my eye. Taking a small pencil brush, I am then gonna blend out the edges of my inner corner. So far, upon my billionth listen of Brat, I gotta say, obviously 360 and 365 and Von Dutch are favorites, but what if I said Apple was in my top 3? Apple is like something shifted when I heard that song. Her use of using an apple as a metaphor for generational trauma and family and breaking family issues, it's genius. It's genuinely such a simple metaphor, and in true Charli fashion, she's talking about transportation in the song. So it's just like, it hits all the pillars that I'm looking for in a Charli song. I'm going for like a halo eye look, so I'm gonna start at the outer corner of my eye and then just kind of like work my way up towards the tail of my eyebrow. It's okay to go slow because we're working with black and like black pigment can just get everywhere. So I take my time. Also, what's really nice about like using a pencil liner is that we're just smudging it out so you don't have to be perfect. And the point of Charli makeup is to be a little messy. Like, you're a club girl. I guess what I really want to talk about specifically is the Girl So Confusing remix with Lorde, because I just feel like there's so much to say in such a simple, like, I don't want to say simple song because I don't want to minimize it, but there's so much to say about that song. For Charli to create a song, Girl So Confusing, standalone by itself, she already is exploring the struggles of a woman and complicated feelings she's having about another woman she's being compared to. And to be a woman is to be constantly compared to another woman, whether it's by someone else, by society at large, or by your own self. I compare myself to other women all the time. Charli then going on to have the woman that she was talking about on the remix, so poetic. I feel like I could analyze Lorde's verse line by line. For them to genuinely be working it out on the remix, for Lorde to then go on to say like, scared to be in your pictures because for the last couple years I've been at war in my body. Do you know the statistics of how many women are unhappy in their bodies? It's over 50% by the time women reach age 17. For her then to go on and say, girl, you walk like a bitch, when I was 10 someone said that, we're never given a chance. From the time we are children, we are immediately criticized. Like, she was 10 and someone was criticizing her. And it's just self-defense until you're building a weapon. She believed my projection and now I totally get it. These feelings of self-defense, they come from being compared and we're just trying to protect ourselves, but then it like manifests into us projecting, and to like keep ourselves afloat, we're bringing down other women. Forget that inside that icon there's still a young girl in Essex. Like, we're all here just like for our inner child. No matter how successful we are, like, we're still human. No matter how badass we are, we're still human. We should be in it together. I just really think the simplicity of that Lorde verse captures the shared experience we all have as women, and it is so vulnerable at the same time. And even if you're not a fan of Charli's music, which I assume that you are if you're watching this video, Brat as a whole just fully captures the experience of being a woman, especially I want to say like in your mid to late 20s to your early 30s. The lyrics, the versatility of the songs, and having cultural moments with Lorde on the remix, is so beautiful. Like, girlhood is freeing ourselves as competition and embracing each other as teammates. And Julia Fox said it best in the TikTok of her talking about this song. I support every girl I have beef with. Like, that's so real. And speaking of Julia Fox, 360, I'm So Julia, and then that music video, Charli having all those women, people were saying it was their version of Bad Blood. Brat just captures girlhood in its entirety. I love it, I live it, I breathe it. The marketing of Brat alone is phenomenal. The simplicity of the cover makes it so easy to apply it to all these different ways in so many different mediums, whether that be a cake, whether that be on a shirt, a crocheted hat. If I see someone wearing lime green, or if I see a car and it's lime green, I'm thinking of Brat. So there's beauty in the simplicity of an album cover and just that bright chartreuse. It's eye-catching, you can't deny it, and it allows for so much like malleability. She just like really hit the nail on the head with the guerrilla marketing and the community aspect. Damn, girl, like I love seeing her hit the stride. I love seeing it. I pretty much have all the black down that I want for now. I'm gonna be taking Half Magic's We Are Aliens. I think this is the perfect lime green. Put that just like in the middle for now. And I'm gonna take a fluffy brush because I want a more light pigment for now. Pat that all in the negative space that the black's not taking up. Again, we can be a little messy with it because it's club. And then I really want the lime green to pop, so I have these two palettes from ColourPop. This is Fade into Hue and they're Matte About Hue. But I'm just gonna take this lime green and I'm just gonna go exactly over what I've been working with. And if there's anything that doing my makeup has taught me, it's that repeating your blends gets you the best blend. So I'm taking a black shadow now and I'm just gonna go just a little bit into where my black blends into my lime green and bring a little bit of that pigment back. This is with a very flat, a very smudger brush. I want it to be really small because I don't have a ton of lid space and I'm trying to be very precise. Honestly, you don't even gotta use a shadow. You could just go in with the black pencil that you were using and you can just go over what you were doing and then smudging that out again. And if you need to blend between the lime green and the black, do as many times as you need until you get your desired blend. My best advice is just to use small brushes and be patient with yourself, especially with darker colors. And who am I if I don't add a shimmer to this look? Shimmers just make everything better. It hides your blend sometimes. Shimmers are for the girls. To get that wing nice and sharp, I'm just gonna be taking a Q-tip and dragging it just to clean it up. Same with the inside, the inner corner black. And obviously I have to do eyeliner on my lower lash line. I felt like this look needed to have a black glossy lip, so I used two Half Magic faves. This is their Sculptitude 2-in-1 lip liner in the shade You're My Taupe and Badassery, and then the lip gloss is in the shade Problem Child. And there you have it. This is the perfect simple Brat inspired makeup tutorial. You don't have to use everything that I use. You could just use the black pencil liner and a green shimmer shade and you could do this look all on your own. I just like to be extra and use all those products. I never thought I would like lime green as much as I do right now. A very shocking turn of events, if I do say so myself. Leave a comment down below letting me know your favorite song from the album. If you're going to the tour, if you want to go to the tour, I would die to go to the tour. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to me if you'd like to see more makeup, travel, vlogs, all that good stuff.